lack of activation here. Do I? Success. Okay, good. Is this double maths, double physics?
Physics 9.
It's 1 and 1? So I said we have a maths tutorial, a couple of questions to do, and then physics. Okay. So the videos from this morning are currently uploading. Now, why is the colour matched up? That's the next thing. Oh, because I can do this. No. Can you all live with that colour? That slight glowing green? You can live with it. Be strong. That's uploading. It'll have to, I'm afraid. Okay, let's start with the maths tutorial. So, there was one question I said I'd do, yeah, 2 at least. So, what was the first one there? Oh, you have it. Great, Wong. You can read it then.
Oh, no.
Ah, you can. Oh, yeah. Good woman. Go ahead.
I'm not doing that.
Huh? No, go on. You can do it. We all believe in you.
I equal I. Vector I equal vector I plus R2 vector J.
Oh, that's it. Okay. And B?
B, C4.
Cool. Like this? And what's the question?
Question I vector C equal. What is that called? Lambda I plus.
Mu. Yep. Oh, that's it.
Final number.
Is it final? Huh?
In terms of lambda and
Yeah, okay. Anyone got any ideas now for this one?
multiply
Any ideas?
by lambda.
No. Any other ideas?
Well,
No. Any other ideas?
Multiply by 8.
No.
Multiply by b, I guess.
Yes? Yep, okay, we'll do that first. And what's C, by the way?
C is the one we find.
Oh! I didn't give you C. Oh, of course not. Sorry. So yeah, substitute. So we have lambda 2 lambda plus, 3 mu 4 mu. So that's lambda plus 3 mu, 2 lambda plus 4 mu. Okay, what's next one? Go on.
That's the first one.
Yeah.
What's the magnitude of c?
What's the magnitude of C is next, is it? Okay, so that's square root lambda plus 3 mu squared plus 2 lambda plus 4 mu squared. Okay, next.
What's the relationship between lambda and mu if c is a unit vector?
Between lambda and mu if C is a unit vector. So if C is a unit vector, it means its magnitude is 1. So the relationship is that lambda plus 3 mu squared plus 2 lambda plus 4 mu squared should equal 1. Okay, next.
The relationship between lambda and mu is b parallel to
To AB. So we need to get AB now. Yeah. So that's B minus A. Yeah. So what is the relationship exactly if it's parallel to AB? It's a multiple of AB. And AB is just a multiple of 1, 1. So it's a multiple of 1, 1. In other words, the i's and the j's must be the same. So we have lambda plus 3 mu must equal 2 lambda plus 4 mu. And I'm sure part E is find lambda and mu.
Yes.
And part F find C.
No, b is the lambda.
I just said find lambda and mu.
If b is the unit vector parallel to a,
And did I say find lambda and mu or find C?
find lambda and mu.
After all that work, I didn't say find C. I should have said at the end and find C. Alright. So how can we find lambda and mu now? CMD. What is that? Some kind of code or something? Oh, C and D. Sorry, I thought you said CMD. I'm like, what's CMD? Some kind of code. Yeah. Compute maths directly or something. C and D. Yeah, what about C and D? Combine the maths directly. Right. Okay, let me see. Here I can say lambda. Okay, say lambda equals minus mu. Yeah, that's right. Yeah, that's right. So then I can put that in here. So I get lambda minus 3 lambda is minus 2 lambda squared is 4 lambda squared. 2 lambda minus 4 lambda is minus 2 lambda squared is 4 lambda squared equals 1. So lambda is 1 over root 8. And so mu is minus 1 over root 8. And we're finished.
Now, going from B to C, why did you lose the square?
So I say, if I say square root a is equal to 1, that's only because a is equal to 1. Because the square root of 1 is 1. It needs to be 1 on the inside. Or, if you really want to, you can leave that there and then square both sides. Dun, dun, dun. Okay. Can you write that one down? Did anybody get it? Lee, did you really get it, or you just understood what I was doing? Okay. You did it?
Yeah,
Really? And it's in your notebook? And you can show me right now? Okay. I'll believe you. Did anyone else except Lee get it?
how did you get 4 lambda squared plus 4 lambda squared?
I substituted lambda equals minus mu into C. Answer C. See where I have the arrow?
Yeah.
I substituted into that. Go on, you wrote this down? Yep. Yusuf, you have this? I said there was another one in, I can't remember. Do you remember the one we just did, or before that? You know how to use chopsticks?
I'm Vietnam.
You're Vietnamese.
Yeah.
Yes. Vietnam is the country. Although when I was listening to the new Saudi Crown Prince, he was referring to himself as the country. You know, yeah, 'cause he's like saying, oh yes, I need to protect my borders. You know, like he was using personal pronoun I for Saudi Arabia. It is normal for monarchy, yes.
He will soon be the king.
Yeah, he's crown prince. Yeah. He's yeah. And he's referred to in public as the boy.
Because it's so rare, we don't used to have that guy.
Yeah.
He did.
Yeah, he's
Even
not
as a
he's not over 80. That must be quite strange.
31.
I know, it's so young for a Saudi king. How old's the father?
80.
Yeah.
82.
Yeah.
So,
I think it's better to have like someone who's 40. Yeah.
just the very different.
Yeah. Yes, it's big difference. Okay, you wrote this down? No, you have to give me a question because.
Substitution. Now I have this.
Oh yeah.
Like I don't see it.
Yeah.
Right.
What is mu equal to from here?
Minus mu is lambda.
Yeah. So what does mu equal?
Minus lambda.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So what is lambda minus 3 lambda?
Lambda minus 3.
Yeah. Lambda minus 3 lambda. What is it? Come on. Lambda minus 3 lambda. No. Just tell me what this is. Add them together. What do you get? How many lambdas?
Oh, 2.
Minus 2. Now square this.
4. Lambda squared.
Okay, come on. You know this. In your heart you know this. Okay. Did you find that next question I said I'd do?
Yeah.
Lee, stop showing dirty pictures to Andrew. Please, concentrate.
Yeah, I'm changing time to slow down there. There are no AUP classes next week.
Ooh, dirty.
Just the way I like it.
Why no EAP next week?
We're done with everything.
We're done.
No EAP except Monday.
Because Monday is practical.
So you finish early in EAP. So did those EAP teachers do any work with you?
No, oh my god. You should have done one for EAP classes.
Those EAP teachers have it so easy. So easy.
I like that.
What?
I like that.
Unlike maths teachers and physics teachers too. And I'm sure the chemistry teacher feels like there's a lot to do as well too, huh? Alright. Did you find that next question now? Yeah, you have it? The next one, what is it? Oh, it's your question. Wonderful. What is it? Go ahead, read it. No. Before that one there was another vector question I said I'd do.
I think it's the last stop.
Yeah, the question 3.
3A.
3A? Okay, read it to me. Whoever has it.
A
Yep. A is equal to what?
minus 368.
Minus 3, 6,
No, 368.
3, 6 and 8.
Minus
Okay, minus 3. B is equal to?
2
Yeah.
and minus 4 and 3.
Okay.
C is 2 and minus 6 and minus 5.
Okay.
One take on.
And what do we want?
We need to find
Oh, is this the triangle one?
yeah.
Oh. Are you sure I said I'd do that one?
Yes.
Yeah.
No.
Okay, fine. Only Andrew got one of the angles. Alright. So, if we draw our triangle, there's A, there's B, and there's C. And if we want this angle, that's AB and AC. So let me start off by getting AB, and then we'll get AC. So AB is B minus A, which is 2 minus 3, which is 5, minus 10, and minus 5. AC is C minus A, which is 2 minus 3, which is 5, minus 12, and minus 13. And so the angle, the first angle, which we'll call alpha, yeah, alpha equals dot 25 plus 120 plus 65 over square root 150 square root 100. I can do this. 25, 144, 169. 9 and 9 is 18. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 338. And then let me see, 25, 120, and 65. 5 and 5 is 10, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So I have alpha equals cos inverse 210 over root 150 root 338. Now it's calculator time. Well, that's not calculator, that's calendar. Oh, how embarrassing. This is awkward. Could someone please type that in on their calculator? Thank you. Oh, calculator. So similar to calendar. Okay. Anyone got an angle here for me? Ah, sounds familiar. Yeah. And then we repeat. So, what one is up next now? If I want this one, I need to be looking at BA, or in other words AB, and CB. Which is good because I have the AB already. But Lee doesn't like this. Lee would prefer if I used BA and BC, wouldn't you, Lee? You prefer this? No, you do, because yesterday.
Yeah, but before yesterday, yesterday you said AB and BC. Which is different.
Okay. Are you okay if I use BA and BC? Okay. So BA is just minus AB, which is minus 5, 10, and 5. And BC is C minus B, which is 0, minus 2, minus 8. And so beta will be cos inverse, if you can type this guy in, 0 minus 20 minus 40 over square root 150 over square root 69. And what do you get for beta? Now, you actually have two angles here. You have the acute angle and the obtuse angle. And it's kind of difficult to see which one it is. Because it could also be 180 minus this one. Because it depends which way you measure the angle. Like for example, here's two vectors, and if you look at the angle between them, you can either think about it as this angle between them, or this angle between them. So unfortunately with this formula, you have two choices to make, and yeah? I think so too. But not. Because if I gave you something like this, cos alpha equals a number, this has two answers. Just like if I said x squared equals a number, this has two answers.
But the number is minus. So it must be
No, I don't think so.
from 0 to 1.
and bigger than 180.
But it's triangle. Triangle will actually smaller.
Yeah, but the formula doesn't know it's a triangle. The formula is only giving me the angle between two vectors.
I mean, like this value is the value of cos.
The 126?
No.
Oh, this?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So this one is minus.
Yeah.
The angle must be between the 90 and 180 because it's triangle.
Oh, I see, okay. So because it's minus, it has to be
Bigger than 90.
one of these two. Bigger than 90.
So
Yeah.
it's smaller than 90 it will be up to.
Yeah. But couldn't it be bigger than 180? A triangle, yeah. Okay. Oh, sorry. Well, anyway, the second answer was 360 minus the first answer. So that would have been too big anyways. Oh yeah, okay, so we'll go with 126. So we have 21.1, 126, and then the last one is... screw it. Are you sure? Yeah, sorry, you're right. Yeah, 64 plus 4. Sorry, that should be 68. It doesn't matter. What's the last angle? Okay. It's okay. Okie dokie. Now, the next question, I think Lee, you have an integration question.
Yeah.
Great. Can I scroll down? Okay. So this is Lee's integration question, which means it's going to be super hard. Oh, so maybe I'm wrong. Oh, this is a hard one. Okay. Step 1. Change this into minus x squared minus 8x minus 609 dx. And this is square root minus x minus 4 squared, and then Andrew, could you do minus 609 minus 16, I think. Yes. Nice, because that is 15 squared. No, that's 25 squared.
Yeah.
So this is equal to integrate square root 25 squared minus x minus 4 squared dx.
That is 7 or 9.
9. Now, this is where we draw that triangle. Where this side is x minus 4. Yeah? And then what do we say? This side here is 25. So then that means this side here is square root 25 squared minus x minus 4 squared. So in this triangle, I'll call this theta. So what does cos theta equal? That square root piece over 25. So that means that square root piece is equal to 25 cos theta. So I can change this nicely into 25 integrate cos theta dx. So you think, oh, that's nice, that's great, but the problem here is what? The dx. We need it to be d theta. So if I go back to this triangle, what does sine theta equal? That's equal to x minus 4 over 25. So if I differentiate here, well, let me just clean it up a little bit. 25 sine theta minus 4 equals x. So what does dx d theta equal? That would equal 25 cos theta. Yes? So then dx is 25 cos theta d theta. So now if I go back here, this will be 25 by 25, so it's 25 squared, cos theta d theta. Or in other words, cos squared theta d theta. Now, if we go just for a moment to the side here, do you remember we have cos 2 theta equals cos squared minus sine squared? Do you remember that? And what does sine squared equal? 1 minus cos squared. So this will be 2 cos squared minus 1. So that means cos 2 theta plus 1 over 2 is cos squared theta. This comes from the trigonometry. So if I put that in there, I get cos 2 theta plus 1 over 2. So this is 625 cos 2 theta plus 1 over 2 d theta. Which is 625 over 2 sine 2 theta over 2 plus theta, which is 625 over 2 sine theta cos theta using the double angle rule plus theta. Nice, okay. So this is 625 over 2, and the 2's cancel here. And what is sine theta? Well, if I go back to my triangle, sine theta is x minus 4 over 25. And what is cos theta? Cos theta is square root 25 squared minus x minus 4 squared over 25. Well, that's good because those two will cancel that. Plus theta. And what's theta? We can say sine theta is x minus 4 over 25. So theta is sine inverse x minus 4 over 25. So if I put that back in there, I can now finish up with getting a half x minus 4 square root 625 minus x minus 4 squared plus sine inverse x minus 4 over 25 plus c. Use English. Yeah. Oh, thank you, Lee, thank you. I never multiplied the theta by 625 over 2. So that should be 625 over 2 here. Thank you. Ah, I see. I'm missing the 625 over 2. Was it really? Are you sure? Because that's sad. That makes me sad. Does it make you sad? Can you check, please? But did I have x minus 4 everywhere else? No, what I mean is, was this part and this part right? But I forgot it here. Outrageous. That's a disgrace. It was the same mistake in all of them.
Yeah, like it's
That
yes,
makes-
it's instead of 4x.
4x.
Yeah.
Disgraceful. Let me add that to my to-do list.
This one is x, and other is like 4x.
Right, hang on. No. I'll add this to my to-do list. Were there any other questions? Fix. What worksheet is this? Fix. That's okay, Lee. Further, trig, int, answers. It's only question 3?
Oh.
Okay. All of Q trade. Yeah, but it's the same mistake in all of them. It's easy to fix.
Yeah, but I don't know the x minus will understand that. So I did 3 of them and all of them.
I'll have a look right now. Okay, any other tutorial questions? Or will we look at physics now? Do physics now. Will we do physics now? Oh, sorry. You want to write this down, of course. This is some serious integration here. I know these types of problems make you happy. Yeah, I know. What do you want to study next year? But you won't get to do any of this next year. You'll have to do it for fun, in your free time.
We still be able to ask
Will you be able to what?
then they will be able to ask
No, I put a time limit on your accounts. Yeah, when I made the account, I specified a time limit of 300 days. So, huh? So it just means when you're finished, if there's stuff on Moodle you want to keep, you just have to download it. That's all. Why? What page were you thinking of?
No, just German.
Oh, for memories, is it?
No, if you want to use your later.
Yeah. You'd have to download it, yeah. You're like, I miss Stephen. Maybe I'll look at one of his videos. Yeah. Oh, look, he's getting angry at Faisal again. Memories. Huh? Oh, it's great. It's wonderful. Did you hear that, Faisal? It's wonderful. So what's Faisal's origin story exactly? Like, why is he so energetic in class? I'm sure there's an origin story there or something. He fell into a tank of sugar when he was a kid or something. Does anyone know his origin story? No? No? I'll have to wait for the movie? Okay. Alright, who's writing this down now? You have it finished?
Like he crashes, and he goes up from the center.
Yo-Yo Man. That's a superhero name, Yo-Yo Man. Are we just waiting for Fuang? Because that's not good enough.
Because it's not from physics.
Yeah, okay, go on. Lee has a good way of thinking about things. Were we in the middle of a physics lesson, or do we have a tutorial to do? I don't remember. Yeah, how do we leave the physics there? Yeah.
We finished the lesson.
Did we do the questions?
No, we were in the induction lesson.
Oh, we're in the middle of that, yeah. Can I close this?
No.
Which line are you on? When I upload this video, I will have 2,500 videos.
How many videos per day?
One per class.
And you only have lessons.
Yeah, at the moment, yeah, just your classes. It's a good thing the other students are too tired to care. One of you live with Faisal, don't you? No? Yusuf? Isa. Oh really? Okay. Until he got kicked out.
In a way.
Complicated.
Yeah.
Finish, Ron? Okay, I'll take that as a yes. I can close this?